Bill for Time expense entry is a feature that allows users to track and record expenses related to their business or projects. To get started, users must first navigate to the Expenses section within the Bill for Time platform. From here, they can click on the New Expense button to create a new expense entry. The first step in creating an expense entry is to select the date of the expense. This is an important field as it helps to accurately track and record expenses over time. Next, users must select the category of the expense, such as travel or office supplies. This helps to organize expenses and make them easier to track. Users must then enter a description of the expense, including any relevant details such as the vendor or purpose of the expense. This helps to provide context and clarity when reviewing expenses. The amount of the expense must also be entered, and users can choose to add tax if applicable. Best practices for expense entry include regularly reviewing and approving expenses to ensure accuracy and completeness. Users should also ensure that all expenses are properly categorized and described to make them easier to track and analyze. In addition to tracking expenses, Bill for Time also allows users to attach receipts and other supporting documents to expense entries. This helps to provide a paper trail and can be useful for auditing and tax purposes. To ensure accuracy and compliance, it is recommended that users establish a regular routine for reviewing and approving expenses. This can help to prevent errors and ensure that expenses are properly tracked and recorded. By following these steps and best practices, users can effectively use Bill for Time expense entry to track and manage their expenses.